is an example on inverse variation. And this question says, if y varies inversely as the square of x. Now the square of x here means x raised to the power of 2, that is x squared, and y equals 8 when x equals 4. We are to find x when y equals 32. To do that, we first find the formula connecting y and x. Solution. Let's interpret if y varies inversely as the square of x. That means we have y, then varies inversely, that means we have 1 over x squared. So we have y equals k over x squared. We include our constant of variation, that is the k, where k is the constant of variation. Since we are trying to find the formula connecting y and x squared, we need to find a value for k. And to do that, we will substitute our values for y equals 8 when x equals 4. So we have when y equals 8 and x equals 4, we'll be having it here as 8 equals k over 4 squared, and this is the same thing as having 8 over 1 equals k over 4 square means 4 times 4, so we have 16, and from there we can cross multiply. We'll be having 1 times k equals 8 times 16. 1 times k means 1k, and which is the same thing as having k equals 128. So therefore, the formula connecting y and x becomes y equals 128 over x squared. Now this is the formula connecting y and x, but we still need to find x when y equals 32. So using this formula, we substitute y as 32 to find our x. Y equals 32. So we'll be having 32 equals 128 over x squared. And from here we can multiply. This is the same thing as 32 over 1. So we have 32 times x squared. We have 32x squared equals 1 times 128. We have 128. Then from here we divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared that we have here, which is 32. 32 goes there 1, 32 goes there 1. And here we have x squared, 1 times x squared, which is x squared divided by 1. We still have our x squared equals 132 divided by 32, that gives us 4. And from here, we can take the square root of both sides. So we'll be having root, square root. So this square cancels the square root. We are left with x equals, now root of 4 is 2. But because we are taking the root of a positive number, it will always be plus or minus 2. And why? Because if we have plus 2 times plus 2, that will be plus times plus, we have plus 2 times 2, 4, and plus 4 is the same as having just 4. Also, minus 2 times minus 2, minus times minus, that will give us plus 2 times 2, 4, which is also the same thing as 4. So whenever you are taking the root of a positive number, it's usually plus or minus the root of that number. So here, this gives us our final answer for when y equals 32. Thank you.